I'm Father Christmas, and I'm the CEO of Santa. Let me show you how Flip has helped us get our magic back. Let's go.
We have 300,000 new colleagues join in Q3 each year. Getting each one up to speed quickly was a nightmare.
Santa stands for the seasonal allocation of nice toys and assets.
Now we use Flip Flows to automatically welcome new starters, train them on our values, and on the tools they'll be using. It relieves so much pressure on local teams, and it's helped us dramatically reduce first week freakout.
I love how easy it is to use. Everything I need, my shift plan, vacation days, pay slips, it's all in one place. And I don't have to constantly ask IT to reset my passwords.